I always ask myself, how do people with long nails clean themselves after they poop? If you know me, you know I stay wearing these dresses all day, every day, and to just add more to my collection, wow. Anyway, today I want to put you onto something. I want to share a bunch of Christmas recipes, healthier versions, like if you're those people that have a sweet tooth. And I also want to put you onto something. These nails are my sister is sleeping. These nails are called Njala nails. Njala nails, I feel like I'm repeating myself. Njala is the word for nails in my mother tongue, Luganda. I'm from Uganda and I'm a Muganda. We call nails Njala. And I'm so grateful to be sent these amazing nails because I damaged my nails for my friend's wedding, and a couple of months back I tried gel nails. I also tried, what is it called? What do they call that thing? Clearly I don't do nails enough, but it's some powder thing that they put on your nails. A guy told me it's going to help my nails, but my nails broke. I mean, they grew, but they weakened, and they've been weak since then. Well, until the nail grows out, they're breaking like a problem. So I got sent these, and I'm so excited to try them because they are gel X nails, but they're stickers. So all I do is have to stick them on top of my nail and not have to worry about all that, you know, stuff that goes onto my nail and damages my nail. Anyway, we're trying it out. They say it doesn't damage nails, so I'm trying this so you don't have to, okay? They're semi-cured. I still have to cure them. But if you remember, I have this gel, AB gel thing. But yeah, I would have this, so let's get into it. I just cured one nail to see how it's going to work, and it's a little bit more stable. So I'm going to do all the rest like this until you cure them. This is so freaking cute. What? Did you see how ugly my nails were? I'm going to leave a link in the description box down below. Honestly, buy these. Do you know how many videos I've postponed just because of terrible nails? And these are just stick-ons. Done. Time to make some Christmas sweet treats with my nails. I can't stop doing that. Yalla. Recipe number 1 is going to be a Twix lookalike, a healthier version without all the extra sugar. Let's get it. Come and see what I just did. Okay, done here. Take one. Tell me what you think.
I don't want to test one. Twix.
The tester one. Are they good?
Not to that at the base.
Told you. Hey! Fire! Almond flour. It's gluten-free, by the way.
I know Rema uses it. Yeah, nice.
They're nice, huh? Yeah, thank you. I don't know, but I feel like my hair looks so much healthier. I think it's because of the flaxseed gel. Wow. I like it. I did a flaxseed gel treatment 2 weeks ago in this video. Check it out. It's the simplest thing I've ever done, and it's the one thing that my hair has loved. So today I went to the Pharmaprix and got this NYX thing. I've been seeing it everywhere on TikTok. We are going to try it together. I got it. Let's try it. When I say she get it from her mama. I don't know, can you tell the difference? Baby girl, you was so pretty. So do you like my eyebrows? Do you like my eyebrows? Did I tell you the 90-day Beyond Bay journal is a meal prep journal as well? So I just wrote down the recipe. It's super simple. So let's make it. Oh, we're making peanut butter cookies, by the way. Peanut butter blossoms. I saw a version of them on TikTok and on Instagram actually, not even TikTok, and I love them, so I'm making them. Always remember to preheat first. Don't forget, like me. Take your things out if you're an African like me. I have no maple syrup, so we're using honey. I like this honey, it's organic honey. You see me showing off my nails. Oh my goodness, I didn't tell you. Update. I had to cut off the middle one. You know, I always ask myself, how do people with long nails clean themselves after they poop? Because as I was doing my business today, you know what happened? I bent the nail, so I had to cut it off, which is one of the greatest things about these nails, is that you get to adjust them how you want. So I cut my middle finger off, well, shorter. What is that? Oh, let's get to it. I don't think I need all this, but some of it is for you. Ooh. Hey. I don't want you to cook, bro. It's going to come out looking like caramel.
Thank you.
That's it?
Yeah.
Okay. Yo, these nails don't open things. Oh no, it's supposed to go in after, when the cookie is about to be ready. Okay, one. What do you mean no YouTube? Can you please repeat that again? Chick said you can think that's a celebrity. It's just me. Baby girl, you are so pretty. Why? Oh yeah, for sure. I don't need to be affirmed because I best believe this girl stands in the mirror. I'm pretty, I'm successful every morning, okay? So, yeah. Ooh. You wanna try? It's a soft cookie. There's no chocolate chips in the middle, just one bite.
So my sister bakes and yeah, they're healthy snacks, so I have to try them.
There's no chocolate chips in the middle. Why did you act like this? Why are you making your face like that?
It's actually nice.
It's nice, yeah. And why do you look like this?
I didn't think it would be nice. I'm sorry.
Why? You didn't think it would be nice?
I'm sorry, I didn't think it would be nice.
Well.
So what do you crave? What do you like?
Okay, I suggest when you make this, you make the balls a little smaller so you can have more chocolate surface area, like more chocolate chips in them. I made mine large.
I'm gonna create a YouTube video until the end. So cute. Which one did you see? Woof. Oh yeah, it's so cute. That's the reason I'm doing this. I'm like, I just really want to show you how imbaliga like
Guys, it's the ghetto out here. It's Friday. Is it Friday? Yes, it's Friday, and we're going to Toronto. But look at this. Hanging. I was using my earphones to hold it. Sorry, my puff holder to hold it. I told you guys the other day. Okay, you guys, I know I didn't end this video. And this is the most random end to this video, but bye. Happy holidays. What are you guys doing for the holidays? I'm going to Toronto. Am I even going to be there for the holidays? No. But let's pretend like I'll be there for Christmas Day.
Happy holidays.
Happy holidays. Bye. As always, do not forget to stay motivated, be patient, trust the process, and spread the love. Bye. Until next time. Adome. Yo, we are real twinning.